The kids worked really hard this year, and last year we made it to the national finals, and we graduated a number of key seniors, and so it's excited to see this group work so hard and be so young and be able to make it there.
I think it'll be fun. It'll be a new experience. I've never been to Rhode Island, and I'm excited to go.
I'm definitely nervous, but I'm also really excited. I'll see some of my friends there from high school sailing, so that's exciting. It's going to be really competitive.
For us, I think our biggest goal would be to make it past the prelims, so we'd want to be in the top 9 of the boats that we sail against in the first 2 days. So that's our goal, and hopefully make it through that and then move on to the finals. The East Coast teams are a whole different feel. On the starting line, they're a lot more aggressive. So for me, it's getting good starts and keeping that up throughout the race. Andy, he's always on top of it, especially during regattas. He keeps us on top of things when we're starting to get tired or discouraged. He's really good at motivating us and getting us to just keep going throughout the entire day. 2 days of racing.
He's definitely a great coach. He just makes sure you stay very competitive, but also he makes sure you have a lot of fun while you're out there and everything.
None of them are getting scholarships. They're all paying their own way to school, and they're representing the state. They're representing all of us, and it's a good group, good group of kids that are going to represent well. It's just so many good teams on the East Coast. There's Boston College and Georgetown, and Yale will be super good, Charleston. From our district, Stanford's a real standout, so we'll have our hands